Hello guys, so I took a trade on volatility 75 and step index, so and it hit my take profit. So this is a documentation of the trade I took. So here it goes. So after marking out my levels, drawing my trend line on a 4-hour time frame, I move further to a 1-hour time frame. Now in a 1-hour time frame is where I spot out my support and resistance. So looking at these levels and support and resistance, all my zones where I see multiple reactions. So price made multiple reaction at this level, so I spotted my support. The multiple reaction at this level, I spotted my support. The reaction here where price made the last I think the last reaction, I spotted my support, and I waited for price to sweep this level in a 15 minutes time frame. Now in a 15 minutes time frame, now switching to a 15 minutes time frame. Now from a 15 minutes time frame, price graded touched this support level. This was the first touch, and this was the sweep from this other touch. But which I took the trade. This is the reason why I took the trade. I took the trade here after seeing price sweeping this level. So I actually took this trade from this level. I took a buy and I set my stop loss at this extreme end. Price actually came down here and almost mitigated my stop loss, but luckily price moved up again and boom to my take profit here, which was my target, and I hit my take profit. Now the more reason why I'm posting this is because I want to actually document this, and like I want to know the reason why I took trades. So this is the trade I took. You can see I only take this trade after the sweep. As I saw price sweep this level, creating some kind of a double bottom, I took the trade, which hit my TP after almost hitting SL, but thank God it hit my TP, and this was a double bottom for me. So even though price came back to made the third reaction, created the third reaction here, I still hit my TP, and that was a success. And the more reason why I confirmed this trade is because I saw price breaking this trend line. Price broke the downward trend line, trying to tell me that this is time for a buy. It's time for a buy. So now in this trade, now I'm trying looking for more opportunities here. So this is price going to the upside. So whatever I'm going to be doing here, it should be buys. It's going to be buys throughout. I think price is like a change of character. Price have made some kind of change of character here, so I should be looking out for more buys on volatility 75. So this is a trend line here. This is a trend line here. So I'll be waiting for more double confirmation before I enter this trade. So I'll move my stop here. So I want to see price. Now the reason why I want to be taking this trade is I want to see price break this level, give me a double confirmation, then I'm in for a buy. So this is just basically the strategy I use. Now I'm going to step index. On step index, I also took a trade on step index, which hit my TP, and this is the reason why I took this trade. After making my analysis from a 4-hour time frame, spotting out those potential level, you can call them turning points or key levels. So I am drawing my trend line, following the trend of the market. I went down to a 1-hour time frame. Now in the 1-hour time frame, what was I looking out for? I was looking out for confirmations, and I saw this pattern actually. First of all, I saw this pattern, and this pattern, whenever price broke above this pattern or broke below it, always if you break below, it's a sell. If you break above and retest, it's a buy. So I took advantage of this pattern. Then the overall trend of the market was bullish, and price was at my support level, and I saw a double confirmation. This is a 1-hour time frame, so I went down to a 15 minutes time frame where I saw my double confirmation. Now in a 15 minutes time frame, I always look out for a sweep. Actually, but what I saw here made me not to even for me to not. I just entered the trade actually without the sweep. Why? Because I've seen something like this before. It's all based on experience. So price came into this, was the first touch at this level. This was the first touch. So I normally wait for price to either sweep this first touch or sweep the second touch. So this was the first touch, this was the second touch. I waited for a sweep actually, but price keep rejecting at this zone, making multiple rejections. So I entered this trade from here, putting my SL here after I saw price to get into this level. So I believe that price going up here it might be hard for price to actually break below here. So my SL was a little bit bigger because I thought price would still want to come down to sweep any of these levels. So I put my SL somewhere here. but actually price didn't sweep it, and price bought to my TP. So this was just how I take TP on this trade, and this was the reason why I took this trade. Number one, price was at my support level. Number two, this price was on a 4-hour trend line. Number three, a pattern was created, and this pattern, price, whenever price breaks and retest, it always go into that direction. So after seeing this, and I wait for a double confirmation. Number four, double confirmation, a double bottom, a sweep of the double bottom, and I'm in for a buy. So this is basically the things I look out for whenever taking a trade. So this was how I took TP on these two trades. I actually took this two trade at it, not at the time, but it was running at the time though. But I took step index first. No, sorry, I took volatility index first, volatility 75 first. Then the second trade I took was step index, this Q step index, and it all ETP. So here is the result of the trade I took. So this is the result. You can see it is not, so you won't see I was lying. So this is volatility 75 index, skew 75 index, and the trader wants to see. This was how I took this trade. Very nice and very sweet. So please, if you like